Hello, and welcome to the English Podcast with Lily. I'm Alex.
I'm Lily.
We're really glad you're here. Before we start, this story might completely change the way you learn English.
So, if you want to understand real English naturally,
Make sure to subscribe.
because this channel is all about real conversations, not textbook English,
Have you ever felt like you studied English for years?
but still couldn't speak naturally?
Then this story is for you.
A few years ago, there was a student named Daniel.
Daniel loved English.
He studied grammar every single day.
Tenses, vocabulary, exercises.
He even memorized entire pages from textbooks.
But whenever someone spoke to him in real English,
He froze.
fast conversations sounded impossible.
Native speakers sounded like noise.
Let's practice some real English phrases.
Listen carefully, then repeat after us.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm just heading to work.
I'm just heading to work.
What have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately?
Honestly, I'm really tired today.
Honestly, I'm really tired today.
Don't worry, you're doing great. One day, Daniel sat alone in a cafe.
He heard two friends talking in English nearby,
He tried to understand them.
but he couldn't follow the conversation.
That was the moment he almost gave up.
And I genuinely had no idea she was gonna be there.
You're serious? That's hilarious. What a small world.
But then, something unexpected happened,
Curiously, one of the friends noticed him struggling.
and smiled at him.
Learning English?
Daniel nodded.
Then the man said something simple.
Stop studying every word.
Daniel looked confused.
The man continued.
Children don't learn language through grammar books.
They learn by listening, again and again.
It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed right now, but I promise you, it gets easier. Do you really think so?
Ready for fast, real English?
Don't worry if it feels difficult at first.
What you doing later?
What you doing later?
Let me know when you get home.
Let me know when you get home.
I was gonna call you earlier.
I was gonna call you earlier.
Kinda tired today, honestly.
Kinda tired today, honestly.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. And one day, something amazing happened.
Someone asked him,
Hey, what have you been up to lately?
and Daniel answered immediately.
No translating,
No panic.
just conversation.
That's when he understood the truth.
Seriously, it was the funniest thing I've seen all week. You had to be there.
I can only imagine. That sounds exactly like him.
Yeah, he was fine though, haha.
Fluency doesn't come from memorizing English
It comes from experiencing English.
again and again and again.
So, if you feel stuck right now,
Maybe you don't need more grammar,
maybe you just need more real English in your life.
more listening,
More stories.
more conversations.
If this story changed how you see English,
Make sure to like the video,
and subscribe for more real English stories.
because fluency isn't something you study,
It's something you live.